Hey, my name is Vincent Zimbanga. I'm a computer science at Grambling State University. This is a demo of my web application that I'm currently working on. It's still under development, and the application is actually a campus. I would say it's a GSU freshman application that is aimed to guide freshmen and new students into how to live the campus life and also to maneuver around. So basically, what inspired uh, my idea behind this application is the fact that when I came here, especially as an international student who wasn't familiar with American culture and everything, and even college life itself, I couldn't understand and grasp what I should do in order to thrive through my campus life. Considering there are campus activities that are taking place, considering there are on campus jobs, also considering there are some opportunities, internships, and other stuff that students need to know at an earlier stage, and also guidance towards their future career, and also generally how to live. Remember, students are living here in the school at Grambling State, and they have to live their day-to-day lives with everything around them. So I wanted to bring all these needs into one application, and that is what actually inspired me to build this application. So simply this application will allow you to sign in. So I just built the tech stack that I used for this application is React combined with Django for my backend, React for front end and Django for my back end. So I use Django REST API to connect, to make calls, API calls for my application. So I would say those are the test stack that I used, with languages JavaScript and Python being the main languages used. So this is a simple UI for the sign in page. So the students is allowed to sign in. You enter your name. So it's either you sign in or you sign up if you haven't created an account. So you click sign up, and then you can create your account and sign in if you have already your account set up. So I wanted to make this app as simple as possible, concise, straightforward, and user friendly, so that users are able to use it without any complications. um, so here, since I have already created my account, I would just sign in um, with my password. Right. So basically, this is the landing or the homepage of my application. So all this here is just a demo, and the application is yet to be fully developed, and I'm actually working on that. So this is the homepage landing page. So it just shows this is the campus library, and this is just introduction speech from the president. So this is just a demo, but I just wanted to see if my backend is actually working correctly, if my React is actually making calls to the backend and is able to get the videos, whatever that I want to bring on the front end. And I actually managed to do that, and my front end is making calls to the backend successfully. So all these modules I created them at the backend, Django backend, and then I'm making calls, API calls, to make sure that I bring them to the front end. So this is the campus map, just to show the students around. In this campus map, they are able to see maybe their school, where their classes are, their dorms, the cafeteria, and any other buildings that they would want to know, so they give easy access on this platform. So this is just the landing page. So going to these other tabs, so as I have said that there are different needs that the students need overall, and I made sure so that to cover all those needs, So as you can see, there is a home mentors tab. So in this tab actually covers the mentors. uh, Remember, already there are students in the school, seniors, juniors, who have already, who now know how to maneuver, or we have been to places, attended conferences, have been to internships, and also know at least better on their career path. So I want this table to actually help students to meet their mentors. So right now I've got only one mentor, and that's me as a demo. I wanted to make sure that my backend is working well. So now what's left is just to add more data on my backend, and it will then appear on this front end. So in this step, I just want the students to be helped through meeting their mentors, especially in their career field, and get some advice, be it current GSU students or the GSU alumni. They can actually be of help. So that's something that is yet to be uh, covered, to include more people, the alumni, and also the current students who um, already thriving in their career path. So that's the main purpose of this page. And then going to this next step, the internships. So here is just a comprehensive. For now, I'm covering STEM subjects, and it's just a comprehensive list of all the internships opportunities that are available for students in majoring in computer science, math and physics, biology, chemistry, engineering, technology, nursing, computer information systems, and accounting. So I would say this is more of STEM subjects, and I'm yet to include some other subjects. But right now, since my app is actually still developing, I just wanted to cover all. Just wanted to cover this part, the STEM part first, so that I don't overcrowd. So now in this part now, I'm making sure that students are able to get access to top companies, and actually have the company's information available to them. So here I want to include the deadline for internships. If there are internships available, there should be a deadline, and also they are able to click on these companies, and it will directly take them to the company's websites, and then learn more about the opportunities. The main idea of this application, as I have said, is just to inform them and get them give them a start, so that they know at least what is it that they want to do, what is it that they can do, or what things they should look for. So I would say it's just giving them the information, and then at least they can build on that as they grow on their college life. So that's the main idea of this application. And then these are the companies. So if you click in any of these companies, it will directly take you to these companies. So for me, when I came, I realized that there was a lot of things that I didn't know. Like I'm a computer science student, but I didn't know where to find the companies, where to apply for internships, and even how to prepare for those kind of things, and what are the needs and the things that I need to have. The things like having a LinkedIn account, creating a GitHub account. Those are things that freshmen those are the knowledge that the freshmen lack when they come to college. So I didn't know all those things and how to learn on my own, because you can't rely on the school. You have to do your online classes and some other things. So that brings me to this tab now. So in this tab, if you click show preparation guide, this is just a roughly a combination of all the things that the students can do to prepare themselves for interviews and stuff. And also we have got lead code. This is just for computer science students, data structures and algorithm. And then these are just recommendations. So if they click on these things, they can literally go to the sites themselves. So it's just like that. So that was the aim of this application. And then that's it. So it's actually the same thing for all these other uh, majors. And then clubs. Now on clubs, I wanted to incorporate. So this application for clubs. All right. So for clubs, I wanted to incorporate all the campus activities happening on the campus, including all the clubs like their student clubs, GSU choir, the chess club, and everything. So all these clubs are here. This is just informing them on all those clubs. So my idea personally is to make sure that they're informed. For every club, I get a member or even the president to actually explain what the club is all about and how to join the club. That's what I'm aim to include. Even for all these other clubs, I'm going to put the videos so that they know, so that the freshmen know like who to approach and what are the clubs on campus, because I have seen that Gremlin doesn't have a website that actually encompasses all those things. Everything is scattered and it's difficult for a new person to actually understand what is going on the school. So that's the main idea of this club tip. And then jobs, these are just tips to get on campus jobs. There is the cafeteria, also the GSU housing department. They are tutoring jobs, and also I am pushing and also encouraging students to talk to their professors, to be outspoken so that they can get opportunities, especially on their departments. And then also we want to initiate the proactiveness and innovativeness, so that students can actually create their own jobs, like they can do something that can help them as they maneuver around the campus. So this is the job postings, and also I just mentioned some other things that they can do online. There are some online options they can do. They can earn money, and also that can help them to learn. For instance, we've got the Extend and HBCU First, etc. So this is just to inform them on the jobs and how to get money while it's there on campus. They shouldn't wait for internships. So that's the idea that I wanted to bring out. And then competitions and fellowships. So this is just for competitions. There are student competitions happening across, especially the business department, science department, and here is yet to be filled. I'm yet to put the competitions and also the conferences that students attend, so that the students know that they are supposed to attend professional conferences that will help them towards their career path, and also that will help them to get internship opportunities and also full-time offers. And then churches, this step is just for churches around the campus. As I have said, I was an international student and I was used to going to church back home, but when I came here the church was not found, so I had to ask around trying to find where can I find the churches, nearby churches that I can try. So here I just brought all the churches around campus, and then the information about them, and also their links to the to their website, so it's more easier for them to know about these churches and organize how they can reach them. And then lastly, this is about the developer. This is just my own view and my bio, and also what pushed me into making this application. So simply that's the whole idea of Grammarly. And actually I would say this app is still under development. I just started it. It has been I think 2 months or so. I've been working on it, and it's just that I've been having a lot, and I'm trying to work, do some other things. So I am actually moving, and I hope to finish it maybe by end of maybe November or even December, and have every valuable information available for the students. And then after that, I can try to talk with the school if there is a possibility to launch the application. That was my vision behind this application, and I think that's all I can say. Thank you.